This is a message from the UN. We have declared war on J.C. Jensen. This is not a test. I repeat, we have declared war on J.C. Jensen. This is not a test. Organizations that have their name is classified are working together to try to take down J.C. Jensen after the attack on the anomalous organization Site 19. And we have plans to launch nuclear attacks at the facilities of independent worker drones and independent disassembly drones. This is from the Chaos Control Police Department. The U.S. government has fallen likely due to heavy casualties. If you're in the area of the United States, it's recommended to try to find the nearest military outpost on what's left of the U.S. government. We are trying our best to solve the situation. Good luck and Godspeed.